Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking your posture and creating tiny, repeatable changes. Stand with heels slightly from the wall and note where your low back gaps. This reveals arching. Next, engage your core to about 1/4 effort to protect the spine, breathing evenly while maintaining it. Once done, perform scapular tucks. Pull your shoulder blades down and together for short sets of 10. These initial steps reduce compensations and let you retrain alignment progressively without overloading tissues. Now you deepen the work with mobility and strength to change movement patterns. Loosen tight hip flexors with kneeling stretches to allow a natural posterior pelvic tilt. Hold 30 to 45 seconds per side. Then load the posterior chain with glute bridges, drive through heels, squeeze glutes, and emphasize a posterior pelvic tilt each rep. Meanwhile, restore thoracic extension using a foam roller for controlled extensions. This reduces upper back stiffness that forces lumbar hyperextension. Finish by applying the new alignment to real movement so it sticks. Practice squats and hip hinges with the cue to tuck the pelvis and brace the core. Start light for 3 sets of 8 to 10 and focus on form rather than load. Once comfortable, add these cues into daily tasks and perform brief posture resets every 30 to 60 minutes. If you feel increased pain, stop, reduce range of motion, reassess mobility and activation, and seek professional assessment to rule out underlying issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.